Chef here. For a perfect meal and perfect results, you need the hardwood cutting board. Use the proper tools and the correct procedures. Okay, I've got a sweet potato here, a little bit of honey, and a touch of cinnamon to complement the sweet there. I've got this Hunter sauce, mushroom, tomato, garlic, onion, herbs, and a brown sauce going down on the plate. With yet another review and some interesting information for you, some tips that are going to help you in the kitchen. They're going to help you greatly. Oh, what do we have here? Wow, this is a massive American black walnut end grain cutting board. It's looking really good. You can see that. Really nice. Really nice. A few things about this. This is harvested from sustainably renewable forestry. This is the best quality block you can buy if you want to have a walnut. And end grain is maybe easier on the knife. It makes an interesting sound when the knife's cutting and chopping and rocking back and forth. A lot of chefs prefer it. It's really cool. It's also aesthetically pleasing. Visually, wow, really nice. So if you're looking to upgrade and move up to something like this, super high quality, I recommend you check out the sponsor right there. They got these babies in stock. They get them to you quick. Sometimes they're made to order. There's all different sizes. Anyway, a few things. I want to move on here and give you a couple of tips. So people have often asked me, Chef, what about feet on a cutting board? Well, it makes sense. If your cutting board's going to slide or wiggle around on your surface, especially if you have granite or marble or stone or all these different synthetics, and sometimes the cutting board wiggles and slides while you're using it. You've seen it. It gets dangerous. That's where I recommend checking out the sponsor. They got this exclusive on these custom rubber feet. These are about 2 inches diameter and they're about 3/4 of an inch thick. They're going to do a few things for you. They're going to give you clearance. I'll put a few under here right now for you. They're going to give you clearance. They're going to make it non-slip, and they're also going to let the humidity, the moisture, and the air flow around your cutting board. There you go. Nice air gap there. That's what I'm looking for. Yeah, so you can caulk these on one side. You can just set them on like I did. You know, we've had people use screws or nails or attach them that way. However, whatever you want to do. But the main thing is the air gap. It's nice. I like it. This cutting board, by the way, is reversible. You can easily pick it up, flip it over, use the other side, and wow. Really nice. Should last you easily a lifetime if you take care of it. Keep it out of the sink, oil it regularly, and it's going to be good. A couple more tips for you here. Let's see, what do I got? I got the board cream, and I got the mystery oil. 2 products you should have in your kitchen with the best block. Yeah. I'll be back with more. Subscribe right here. Check out more on this channel. Learn all kinds of expert cooking tips and tricks from certified chefs. We've got all kinds of chefs visiting, coming and going on this channel. Really a lot of good stuff. Search soups, search stocks, search sauces, search kitchen equipment, how to do this, how to do that, knives, knife sharpening, you name it, the channel's got it right here. With that, I'll let you go. Oh yeah. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh, it's gonna be good. Yeah. Both of these products, by the way, are safe, food safe, non-toxic, NSF certified. This is the best stuff you should be putting on your wooden cutting boards, countertops, islands, and so on. Oh yeah. Do a little swirl around the block like this. And I prefer to use a recycled plastic bag. You can use an applicator or whatever you like, but I like to use this little bag right here. Circular motion, covering the whole cutting board. And after I complete the whole cutting board and that oil's soaking in, I leave it alone. Don't use it, don't touch it till the next day. The next day I flip it over and use the other side. And when I'm ready, then I repeat the other side, and wow, I do this monthly. And this right here is the proper way to protect your wood cutting board. Keep it out of the sink, keep it dry, keep it flat. Oh yeah, words of wisdom. I'll be back with more tips for you. Check that baby out. Oh, it's beautiful. Yeah, and I do quite often oil the sides as well. People ask me that, do you oil the sides of your blocks? Oh yeah, why not? Okay. All these products are in stock at your sponsor. Right there. Get cooking and have a great day. Subscribe to the channel right here. Oh yeah, the good stuff. So you're buying a Japanese knife online? Do your research. Professional chefs use our knives around the world. Check it out. Finish with a little bit of fresh grated Parmigiano Reggiano. Wow. With proper care and maintenance, they will last you for decades. Wow. The perfect cooking surface.